What's good? How's everybody doing? It's nothing much I can say. I just kind of want to give you guys an update on what gold is looking like currently. What gold is looking like currently. But people. Today in the Telegram, I'm gonna post a Telegram link in the bio. But today in the Telegram, I was explaining to you guys because a lot of people will get confused and think price is selling off. Like this morning, price was selling off. But you gotta remember that price moves in phases. So the indication phase is mostly the higher high, which we already had. I don't know why I turned off my screen. So basically we have the higher high version. So I'm gonna delete all this. So this movement right here is normally the higher high. The higher high is made, and the reason why we didn't really count like this as like I was looking at this, but then I was like, should I really count that as the higher low? I could have counted it as the higher low. Even if I did, it still would have played out perfectly. Due to the fact that let's say somebody would have thought this was a bearish indication to the downside. It ended up retesting and then this time making a higher low, which is not bearish at all. So then we have a higher low, price breaks, and now we have a higher high. So then we'll probably have a higher low, higher high again, which would come up to this high. So even now would be like, I wouldn't say right now, but even then, this would have been a good buy because of the higher low and a new higher high, and then you're buying it up to this high. And you see how I did that off the 1 hour time frame? Like I was able to do that off the 1 hour time frame, and everything aligns because you already have price creating some level of support, a higher level of support, and then a break of a high. All these things is leading up to price being bullish again, which this is what the correction is going to look like. You're going to see price come to its highest point. There's going to be some aggressive sell-off. That aggressive sell-off happened. Once the aggressive sell-off happened, it came to a point where it stopped selling off and started building back up. This could have been a lower high. Of course, this could have been a lower high. But what we did was, since we waited to see if it was, it just bounced off this level. So this level where you see buyers kick in here, it just bounced off that same level and made a new high. So a lot of people here would get in and try to get for sales and then end up getting stopped out later on.